To convert videos, you'll need to use the iMac, VCR, and Elgato video converter. First, make sure the VCR is powered up and the selection switch is set to VCR and not DVD. Next, take the RCA cable and plug the red, white, and yellow ends into the video out connectors on the back of the VCR. Take the Elgato and connect one end to the RCA cables. Connect the USB end of the Elgato to the USB hub connected to the iMac. There will be one white connector on the Elgato which is not used. Insert the VHS tape into the VCR and press play on the VCR. On the iMac, launch the Elgato video capture software from the dock. The icon has a picture of the RCA cables. The first screen will ask you to name your movie and select the approximate length of the recording. This is optional, but you can change the lengths to get an idea of the final file size of your project. Also note that there is a Preferences menu at the top of the screen. Use this menu to change the appearance of your movie, brightness, contrast, etc., and also to change the format from MP4 to H.264 if required. On the Connect Video screen, you will want to confirm that you have the correct video input selected. Choose Composite RCA for the input. You should see your video playing on the screen. You will also need to confirm the aspect ratio of your footage. The majority of content on VHS tapes will be in 4:3 aspect ratio, which is almost square. If you are working with widescreen footage, your footage may have black bars at the top and bottom of the screen for example, then select 16:9 aspect ratio. Click Next. On the Connect Audio screen, you will want to confirm that audio is being sent from the VCR to the iMac. Watch the green bars to make sure they are moving. If they are moving, click Continue. On the Record screen, first press the Stop button on the VCR. Rewind your tape to the beginning of the tape. On the iMac, press the Start Recording button. Then, press Play on the VCR. You should see your video playing on the screen. You will also see a counter running below the image showing you the time elapsed and the size of the file. Please note that the conversion process is real-time. A 2-hour tape will take 2 hours to convert. Once the tape ends, press Stop on the VCR first. Then click Stop Recording on the screen. The next window will give you the option to trim your recording. This allows you to remove footage from the beginning and end of your recording. Trim the recording by lining up the triangles to the points where you wish to start and end the recording. Then click Continue. The Finish Up screen gives you information on where the file has saved on the iMac. Click the Movies folder link to be taken directly to the folder where the file is saved. You can also upload your file directly to YouTube or edit the file in iMovie from this screen. Once you are finished, click Quit. Remember to save your file to USB stick or upload to cloud storage. The iMacs are wiped for security reasons at the end of your session and all of your information will be deleted, so make sure you save before ending your session.